every year. Right after Black Friday and Cyber Monday, something predictable happens inside sales team. The energy dips. The backlog grows. Conversations get harder to track. Your SDRs are answering yesterday's emails, while 3 new ones hit their inbox. And the month hasn't even started. November takes a toll, and December doesn't wait for anybody to recover. Hello everyone, my name is Lucas and welcome to anybiz.io's YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about the moment right after Black Friday week, when your team feels drained and your pipeline is still growing. This is exactly where AI becomes way more than just a productivity tool. It becomes the only way to keep momentum without burning out your own people. But before we continue, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because this week we're posting more content to help you close the year with a stronger sales engine than you started with. You ready? Let's go! Let's be real. Black Friday pushes SDRs more than almost anything else in the year. They spend days moving faster than usual, responding to bigger volumes, jumping between conversations, and trying to stay sharp while every single other brand in the world is sending messages at the same time. Then comes Cyber Monday, with another surge. More questions, more leads, more people comparing tools. And by the time the first week of December arrives, your team is running on fumes. They're not less talented, they're just too tired. I feel you, SDR. I feel you. Meanwhile, your pipeline doesn't care. New leads appear, old leads return. Decision makers start revisiting tools because they want to close deals before the year ends. December has some of the highest intent buyers you'll ever get, but your team is at the lowest level of energy. See, this mismatch creates a dangerous situation. Opportunities slip because follow-ups are delayed. Conversations go cold because someone didn't get to reply in time. Interest prospects lose interest because their SDRs can't maintain the pace that November forced on them. And guess what? It's nobody's fault. It's just not sustainable for humans. December demands a level of consistency that's tough for any sales team to maintain after the Black Friday rush. People are still contacting you, but the rhythm isn't steady. Some reach out early in the morning, others late at night, and many get back at you at random moments over the day. An SDR who's already tired can't match that kind of pace without making sacrifices somewhere. They either miss opportunities or they respond without the clarity the lead needs. This is exactly where AI SDR makes all the difference. It picks up every message the moment they arrive and keeps the conversations going while your team resets. So when your prospect is revisiting your pricing page in the middle of the afternoon, the AI is already following up. When someone replies after hours, the AI keeps the thread alive instead of letting the lead cool overnight. It handles bursts of activity smoothly, even when several conversations become active at the same time. Your team comes back at conversations that are already warm, already organized, and already featured. Instead of scrambling to catch up, they step in at the right moments, with full context and focus on closing. This creates a steadier workflow for December, while your humans SDRs operate at their best, and the AI covers everything that will normally slip through the cracks. Many founders think that the solution for December is to push harder, send more, follow up more, hire more temporary SDRs. But the only thing this does is creating more chaos without fixing the real issue. What December actually demands is precision. Timing matters more. Confidence matters more. Clean hands off between AI and humans matter more. You don't need more effort. You do need a system that matches your buyer's pace without burning your team. And this helps you do exactly that. The AI SDR keep your pipeline alive with consistent follow-ups, no missed opportunities, and zero backlog. Your human SDRs step in only when the conversation is ready to move forward. This creates a smoother, cleaner, and easier December. And it sets you up with a strong momentum heading into January. Your December goal isn't to work harder, it's to convert smarter. So if your team feels drained from the November rush, or if you didn't adopt AI before Black Friday, you're not too late. In fact, this is the moment where AI provides the biggest impact. Let your SDRs recover. Let the AI handle the heavy lifting, and give your December pipeline the consistency it needs so much. And because so many people asked for more time, the anybiz Black Friday deal is officially extended for one more week. you can still get 50% off on the annual plan and bring AI SDR into your team right when it matters the most. Thank you so much for watching. And if this video helped you see December from another angle, give this video a like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. What December actually requires is precision. Dude, what? I just forgot how to say that word. Precision. What December actually demands is precision. Ain't no way. Alexa.
They need.
Wait, help. Precision. I know how to say that, man. Precision. What December actually demands is precision. It's precision. What December actually demands is precision. What December actually demands is precision. Dude, I'm really sorry. It's precision. I don't know what's going on with me. What December actually demands is precision.